Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English learning show. Today we're going to talk about ordering coffee in English. This lesson is simple, useful, and perfect for real life.
Yes, and don't worry, we'll go step by step. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel more confident ordering drinks like a native speaker.
All right, David, let me ask you something. When you go to a coffee shop, what do you usually say?
Good question. Usually I say, "Can I get a latte, please?"
Nice, that sounds natural. But many learners say something like, I want a coffee.
Yeah, it's not wrong, but it sounds a bit direct. A better way to say it is, "Can I get a coffee?" or "I'd like a coffee."
Let's break it down. When you say, can I get, it's polite and very common in everyday English.
Exactly. And "I'd like" is a bit more formal, but still very natural.
So instead of saying, I want coffee, try saying, can I get a coffee? Or, I'd like a coffee. Mini conversation at the coffee shop. Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?
Of course. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, can I also get a chocolate muffin?
No problem. That'll be $5.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, that sounds smooth and natural.
Yeah, much better than "I want coffee."
Stop. Don't say this. I want a coffee.
Instead, say, "Can I get a coffee?" or "I'd like a coffee."
It's a small change, but it makes you sound much more polite.
Here are some more useful phrases you can use. Can I get a latte? I'd like an iced coffee. Can I have a small cappuccino?
And if you want to change something, you can say, can I get it without sugar? Can I have it with almond milk?
Or even, can I get that to go? That means you want to take it with you.
Hi, can I get an iced coffee?
Sure, for here or to go.
To go, please.
Got it. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's exactly how real conversations sound.
Simple, clear, and polite. Now, repeat after me. Can I get a coffee, please?
One more time. Can I get a coffee, please?
I'd like a latte.
Again. I'd like a latte. Quick quiz. Okay, quick quiz. Which one sounds better?
A. I want coffee. Or B. Can I get a coffee?
The answer is B.
Nice job if you got it right.
Great job today. Now you know how to order coffee in English naturally.
Keep practicing and try it in real life.
Next time you go to a coffee shop, don't say, I want coffee.
Yeah, say it the right way.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.